what is the net present value and how we can calculate it. And second, what is the purpose behind it, why we calculate the net present value. Suppose you have a project where you need to invest a $70,000 today, and it will give you $15,000 every year for the next 10 years. So it means that you want to calculate what is the net present value of all the future cash inflow that you will be having for the next couple of years. So given that, yeah, you know the prevalent discount rate is 6%. I'm just writing here 6% is the rate of interest, or you can say the cost of a capital. So cost of capital means this is the $70,000 that we are going to invest it today, and definitely there is a cost that we are paying for that. Why that we are paying? That we want the expected return on this initial investment, that is the $15,000 every year. So initial investment here is the $17,000 that I'm writing here in a minus. And the period, if we talk about that, I'm going to start this period. So first one is the initial investment, and what is the initial investment here that I have put it here, $70,000. Now for 10 years plus 1, the first year is the initial investment. So if I don't calculate this one, I can start from here 1 and 2. So for the next 10 years I'm expecting $15,000 every year. So here I'm just writing, if for example that today is a 2024, right, and next will be 2025, and the next year, so I can write here year. Okay, so let's see, by the end of the 2033, so we are expecting a $15,000 every year. So I'm just dragging this one, and the $15,000 every year we were expecting. So what will be the net present value of all the future cash inflow? So this is the expected range. Now formula here is available in Microsoft Excel. NPV is the net present value. Rate is the 6%, comma. So this is the stream of payments that we will receive in future. Enter. So it means 110,401.31. This is the money that we will earn from this project. Plus, this is the earning. Plus, it means that $70,000 which is we have already invested. But if I want to include this money, means subtracting of this one. So I will add plus this initial investment. So it does not mean that we are adding this amount like $70,000. It means we are adding this figure in the total all the cash inflows, in adding this value. This value means that the investment that we have made, $70,000, from the total this amount will be subtracted, and 40,401.31, this is the actual earning from the investment, right? So for example, if I change into like for the next 10 years, the payment stream is different. Sometimes we make some investment in one project. At the beginning, there may be very less amount of money we can expect. So accordingly, it's going to change here. Here, maybe next year 7,500, then maybe like 11,000, then next 15,000 approximately, then 17,500. Then we have, let's say, again 17,500. Then we can write 19,000, 21,000, 22,000, and last we can calculate the 24,500. So in this way, this is the different cash inflow amount, and we have here. So this is how to calculate the net present value of the future cash flow we are expecting. And NPV formula is very useful at the time of taking decision of making some investment in some projects.